Hello guys, I am 9 Alpha 3 X-Ray Zulu. The summer is starting and it's time to make some QSO on the 4 meters band on 70 megahertz, and you will see one big antenna for 70 megahertz, free element Yagi by Delta Kilo 7 Zulu Bravo, and I put this antenna just for a test, just for SWR and other tests here in my garden. And you can see also one match, Delta Kilo 7 Zulu Bravo match, 28 ohm to 250 ohms. I don't know in English. In English, this tree. What's the name? What is the name of this? I don't know, but it's very good to eat. It's very good to eat. Okay. $70 megahertz, and after that I am preparing one transverter for 4 meters band. And this summer I wanna make some QSO. I hope so. Okay guys, 7-3.